How to grow Savory, agrowplants.org, also known as Satureja. This plant can grow as an annual or perennial, it depends the species. Some species can grow also as an annual, and it can grow as a shrub or subshrub. It can be evergreen. And if you would like to grow this plant, there is a link below, and you can purchase it. It's a great donation for this channel. And also subscribe to this channel. So the leaves are edible, and it's also highly recommend to grow because mostly it's harder to buy it. It's not like oregano you can find everywhere. This one you need to grow in order to have, and there is a lot of flavors. It depends what you choose. Annual Savory, it's grow from 3 to 11 hardiness zone. 10A to 11, it's let's say winter planting, and from 3 to 10A, it's spring planting. If you grow winter Savory or other perennial species, be aware that you can plant it from the spring to the autumn, and even here in hot climate in the middle of the winter. A requirement for growing will be well-drained soil, mulch, and weed-free. It's very important, the weed-free, it's not very good in competition, depends the species. The annual Savory, it's more resistant for weeds, but the perennial, it's harder for them to compete with other weeds. So mulch can do the job. You can start by plant cutting or seeds. This plant dislike relocation, so it's highly recommend not to relocate it each time. Major pests can be the moss, a caterpillar of the moss, and this is grow height from 10 to 40 centimeters, so it means 4 to 16 inch. In the right condition, it's a fast growing plant, and this is for the annual. The perennial, it's mostly medium growing plants. Requires small to average amount of water. If you put mulch, you can put less water. Full sun to half shade, and even in hot climate, almost full shade. Blooming season will be from the spring to the autumn, and better to harvest it before the blooming. If you have perennial, you can actually harvest it all the year, and for annual from the spring to the summer, this is the best season for this. If you go to the autumn, it's the start of the blooming cause some problem with the leaves. They become smaller, weaker, and the plants give all the energy for the flowers. So don't arrive to the situation that it's already bloom. If it start, just harvest it and that's all, unless you need the seeds, of course. You can use it as spices, herb, or for cooking. Except this easy plant to grow, and as I said before, it's highly recommend to grow it because it's harder to buy it. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and like this video. If you have any questions, just ask, or you would like a video. Also, you can ask. Check for more video, follow us on Twitter, and of course you have here a link to buy the plants that we talk about, and also down.